Hey guys, so it's that time of night. It's time to take my blood thinner injection and time to take all my pills. And I didn't show you guys, but I was hanging out with my friend Jessica came by and we were having some soup. I made some Tuscan soup, which is really good. And I forgot to show you guys. And we had some bruschetta, which was really good. And then we had some crackers with Boris and cheese, and Jessica brought over some munchkin donuts, which were really good. So we just hung out and talked and caught up, you know, had some girl time. But anyway, so now it's pill time, that time of night, and injection time, and all that fun stuff. So, but anyway, last night we had to hold off on the injection because I just started coughing out some pure blood. So that's been the big issue, which we knew would be the problem with stopping blood thickers and starting blood thinners. So we're back to where we were weeks ago with that. So yeah, and that's kind of been on and off all week, with coughing out blood on and off and having to hold off on the blood thinners here and there. So that's what's going on, and I just had some streaking before of coughing out blood, so yeah. So it's just been, it's just been tough. And me and Jessica had wanted to go out and grab dinner, and I said I would really love to go and do that, but with last night coughing out blood, I was kind of a little bit hesitant because during the day I've been okay, but as the hours get later on at night, like, you know, usually like 8 p.m. and on, 7, sometimes even 7 o'clock. Like the other night it was 5:30 that it happens. Last Saturday it was like 5:30 and on, boom, all the blood. So it's like, you know, it's the later hours that seems to be when the problem is. You know, maybe if we went for like an early lunch or breakfast, we would have been okay. But it's kind of tough during the week when everybody works, you know. So, yeah, so it was better we just stayed here and hung out and had food here and got to talk and hang out and chill. So that was cool. But anyway, hopefully next time I'll feel more confident and more better with maybe going out and getting something to eat. But with last night, with the way the bleeding happened, I was like, I don't know. And actually, believe it or not, when we were hanging out on the couch, I was like, ooh, my chest feels a little funny. I was like, and there you had it. I started coughing out some blood, so when you know, you know. And it's usually the later hours that does that. So, yeah, it's kind of tough to make plans at night, unfortunately. Like, dinner time on like 6 p.m. and after, which just sucks. So yeah, and my head's been bothering me like almost every day. Not terrible. The other night I had a bad migraine, but then now it's just been like on and off achy. So I don't know, but maybe I will take one of the migraine meds and see if I can like kind of knock it out and maybe feel better for tomorrow. I think that would probably be a good idea. Zario suggested that, and usually his suggestions are really good. So anyway, I'm gonna take my injection, and I take less of the dose, and these come standard, so I have to take some out. And I'm sure this is gonna hurt. Can't really see here, it's a little tough. Alright. My lighting isn't amazing in the kitchen, but alright. We're at the right dose. This is gonna hurt. So. Pretty cool, this needle. Check this out. You guys could see. pretty cool how that went back like that, right? Yeah. Anyway, so, oh good. I'm not bleeding. Hopefully I don't black and blue, and that's really it. So I'm gonna test my sugar, take my pills. I kind of ate a lot tonight, snacked a lot, so hopefully my number's not too high. And I'll let you guys know what the number is. I don't really share much of my sugar numbers on here with you guys, so let's see what it is and I'll show you guys. And yeah, so that number was not good. 273. I expected to be high with the amount of stuff I ate. Even though I took insulin, I kind of could not keep up tonight, but it's really rare that I eat like that, and it's good to see my appetite is getting better with, especially with the way I've been feeling. I haven't been feeling too well, so yeah. But anyway, hope you guys are having a great week and night, and I hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and I guess we will see you tomorrow, Friday, and it's the weekend. So thank you guys for watching and following along, and yeah, happy fall, everybody. Hi guys. So Rosario has never had a
Chupa Chup lollipop.
Chupa Chups.
Chupa Chups.
Lollipop.
Yeah,
So
the
he's
mini
gonna
ones,
try
there's
one for the
22
first
in a
time.
pack.
They're
And
delicious. They're one of my
there is
favorite.
orange, strawberry, cherry, cocoa, vanilla, and strawberry vanilla. So I'm gonna go for a random one and see what I get.
I don't know if I ever had a favorite. I like them all.
I
so.
got.
Looks like a strawberry one, but that's just
How do
my
we know?
opinion. You can just usually.
It
It has strawberries on it.
mystery.
It's a strawberry one.
Oh,
I
let
can
me
tell.
see. I'll tell you right now.
You can just tell by the color of it.
Let me go for my first Chupa
I think
Chup.
they're different colors, right? Oh wait.
No, they're all the same.
Oh.
So it's a
The
mystery.
ones away, I always thought as a kid they were all strawberry, and then when I opened it, I was like, what is
Let's
this?
see. Well, it's pink and white, so.
It is.
Oh, it's got to be strawberry vanilla. Then.
It is strawberry vanilla. It's gonna be good.
Chupa Chups are good. Still
That's
the flavor
the
you
taste
remember
I
as a
remember
kid? Hey, you
My
want a Chupa
lollipop.
Chup?
My lollipop.
My Chupa Chup. It's my Chupa
It
Chup.
says. It's good, right? You like it?
Yeah.
And I like the sticks are like plastic.
How can you beat 22 mini lollipops for $1? I mean, come on.
Yeah, we got it at the dollar
Shout
store.
out to the Dollar Tree on Richmond Avenue and Richmond Hill Road.